Hi, this is Brad with Honey Corporation. Today I'm going to introduce you our new model auto perimeter. And this auto perimeter, it comes with 4 parts as standard configuration. And it has mouse and a keyboard, eye patch, and also the home machine. And as you can see, actually it has a 14-inch touch screen. And then at the bottom, there are 2 buttons. This button is for the power, and this button, it has 4 navigation keys to control the adjustment of the chin rest and headrest. The center button is for the switch between auto adjustment and also manual adjustment. On this side, there are 4 USB ports that you can put in the USB drive for storage and copy and also data transfer. And this one is for the receiver of the keyboard. This one is Ethernet that you can connect the machine to internet, and also it's reserved for the DICOM compatibility. This is the main power button. Once it is set up, you just turn it on and leave it there. No need to turn it off again. And this is the power port. On this side, it is chin rest and head rest. This is a responder for the patient to the test. You just push like this. And then inside there is a refractive lens holder, like this. And it is for those who are nearsighted or farsighted. Power on. And push this button to turn on. So this is Windows operating system based. And this is the icon of the software. So you just double tap it. And you run the software. And also, you need to enter the password. We need to use the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we enter into the main working interface of the software. And on the top, there are 6 icons, as you can see. The first one is new, to create the patient profile. And then the waiting room, examine, archives for the test report, and also set up. And then the last one is close, to exit from the working interface. Now let's just create a new patient. So you just click the new. So you just put a name over here. So my name is Brad, so we just put Brad. And then you can just put a phone number. I mean, your own phone number, that'll be okay. And choose gender. And for the age and the birth, you can just enter only one data, then the other one will be calculated automatically. Say, for example, age is like 40. And then the birth, you will just, it will be automatically calculated. And for doctor, so you can choose any doctor name that you want to put in. And then choose the eye, left eye, for example. And for the program, this is a default testing program, and it's C40. And you can just click to drop down the menu. Then you can just scroll down, up and down to choose the testing program you want. And also for the testing program here, and you just touch it, there will be detailed testing program available to give you an idea. And we have threshold testing programs. Actually, in total, we have 22 testing programs available. And it has like a threshold testing program, a screening testing program, special test program, and a custom test program.